I don't think I've seen such a ridiculous sunrise. That's sick.
Wow.
I don't know where to go. So I'm trying to find a place to fly from. I don't really know if this is the best time to fly, but dude, I am not awake yet. And I have a really bad headache because we're at about 11,300 feet, like 3,400 meters, I think. And the water that I have in my room is so cold it actually hurts to drink. A lot of excuses for I just have a headache. The lighting's not that great. Oh shit. The lighting's not that great for flying unless I went up to the peak up there, which looks pretty far away. Probably like 1.5 miles, 2 miles. But yeah, I might wait until later until the light gets a little better. Dude, the headache is fierce. Look at this little douche. Hey. Oh, look at that shake. I like these dogs a lot. He's whining at me. Don't whine, bro. Can't see what I'm filming. My glasses on. Oh, here comes a chopper. What? No, I did. I'm saying when I had polarized sunglasses on, I couldn't see anything.
Ah, okay.
Couldn't see the screen.
Yeah.
That'd be cool if this helicopter was coming here, but I don't think it is. Dude, the mountains are so intense. Wow.
What is it?
It's good. I don't even know what to fly. This stuff is so far away. The wind is a lot more intense than I thought it was going to be too. Dude, these mountains are ridiculously large. I'm going to set up and fly. So right now we're waiting for this helicopter to come so that I can take off, so that I'm not standing up here on this helipad and then I get blasted by it, because that would not be cool. Just like getting hit by all the wind. Juan is up here helping me out. Yeah, this is, what is your last name?
Juanes Vélez.
Juanes Vélez?
Vélez, yes.
Yeah, and your YouTube channel is?
Juanes Vélez also.
Yeah. And he does Spanish content in Korean.
Yeah, Spanish content in South Korea.
South Korea. That's super random. It's super cool though. Oh no.
I think it's coming now.
Uh-oh. Because the wind is a little hot.
Oh, really?
There you go. Make sure I'm on 250 milliwatts.
Okay.
Cool. Taking off. Mr. Steele, FPV. This is FPV, and I'm Mr. Steele, or Steele. My name is Steele, but somehow I got coined Mr. Steele. I don't know. No. For YouTube. Yeah.
So we just look for Mr. Steele, we'll find you?
Mr. Steele, yeah. Alright, so I just got a solid flying session in. Got to push some boundaries, go a little further than I was anticipating going. These 1300s are actually lasting a good amount of time up here. We're at like 11, how high are we? 11,500 feet? In meters we're like 34.
3,440.
3,440 meters. And these 1300s are lasting for like 5.5 minutes. I did make some customizations to this drone. I ran some moon boots on it, which are 2200 kV. It's a 2407. And I'm running 6S on the ETHiX 45 amp stack. And then I have crossfire diversity on there where I'm just like kind of taping this thing on here like this. I'm running DJI just because the clearer image in a new place, especially somewhere where there are a lot of lines. There are a lot of like telephone lines and stuff here that would be very difficult to see on analog. So, you know, there's a place and a time for everything, and I think, you know, digital is working really well for this particular environment. But yeah, we're getting higher and higher. My theory that I needed to go with a higher KV and run 6S, like I have 200 kV on these, and I have almost 20, or I have a 2300 on my other one. I have a, what do I have? I have Steele, Mr. Steele V3 bases with a Steele V4 bell. So it's 2300 kV on 6S. And that's kind of what I've been rocking. As far as like this high altitude stuff, I assumed I just wanted more RPM. So yeah, for like short, quick flights, I've been running 1100s just because they're lighter. This is substantially lighter, like 170 grams, and this is almost 220. But if I do want to go far, like just now I went to the top of this mountain right here. As you can probably see that mountain right there. I didn't quite go to the top of it, but I went pretty damn close. And yeah, I actually flew around the city for a while. And there's a city over here that you'll probably see in the videos. But I flew around that city for like 3 minutes, and then I decided to do long range, which was kind of dumb, but I felt like I had a battery that could handle it. So I didn't even have OSD for some reason. I might have should have rebooted the quad, but when I started flying that way, I realized I didn't have OSD. So that was kind of scary, but I trusted my gear, and it worked out in my favor. But yeah, so I'm a little weirded out by the fact that the GoPros, not that this is any concern or anything, but the front of the GoPros keep fogging out, like inside underneath the screen, which is really weird. I don't know why that's a thing. But yeah, DJI on 700 milliwatts with these patch antennas that just look in the right direction. I've had Juan over here point me in the right direction sometimes when I'm going super far away. And yeah, it's been 1 week since you looked at me. What is that song? I don't know. It's been pretty good. I'm excited. I'm excited to get further and further away. This peak right here, which is covered by clouds right now, all of these are like 4 or 5 miles away, which is way too far for my battery and my mini quad setup. My range as far as video, I have had solid video range, and the RC link has just been stupid good. 250 milliwatts on Crossfire. There's always a time and a place for everything. For long range stuff, I prefer Crossfire. For short, tight, freestyle stuff, I'm definitely going to use Tracer. So I get a lot of people that ask me all the time, they're like, yo, why are you using Crossfire now? I thought you were using Tracer. Why are you using DJI? Well, I think DJI and Crossfire are a great match for anything where you need to fly in a new location and have utmost confidence, especially if you're not flying super flippy floppies. Like, it doesn't matter. That amount of latency doesn't matter when you're talking about flying around cinematically. So that's why I use it when I'm flying freestyle. 150,000% I prefer Tracer and analog. So anyways, dope. We're gonna walk back to camp and see what's up. I am done packing. We will see more, and it will be good. My hat is about to explode off of my head. It's surprisingly not that loud. Okay, it's pretty loud. Yeah, they're smaller and a little more stocky.
See all the dogs there.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. I didn't. There weren't that many this morning.
That was a nice flight. Yeah, it was epic watching you.
I went to that building over there.